And today, back on Influencer Family, Colton and Daddy's hanging out, and we have some Roblox Series 9 mystery boxes, right?
Yeah!
Are you super excited?
Yeah!
Colty can't wait to open these up.
Yeah.
He actually made me start recording early today because he's like, Daddy, I can't wait, right?
Yeah!
Who do you think's in these boxes? Last time you guessed both of them.
It's which princess?
You think, who's in this one?
It's Prince. Which?
You think the witch is in this one?
Yeah, and the princess.
Okay, so this is supposed to be the witch that we're opening right now.
Yeah.
I'm going to take the plastic off. Okay. You can see it comes in a black box, and the black box has a B on the front, and there's gold flake all throughout. So it's like gold glitter inside, right?
Yeah.
It's almost kind of transparent too. Do you know how to open it?
Yeah, I know.
Let's see.
I know.
Oh, there you go. What's inside?
Is it a blind bag?
It is a blind bag.
Open it, Daddy.
Oh, I don't know what's in here.
I think it's Carl.
Oh, I don't think it's a witch.
I know, I think it's right.
Oh, careful. It is a witch.
I know it!
Oh my goodness, Colty.
I know
That's
it.
3 in a row.
See, I knew it!
What is going on with you?
See, I told you!
Dang, dude.
See, I told you that!
You did tell me.
Look,
There.
See,
All right.
we got this hat too!
Let's put the witch hat on. Colty, if you saw our other video, he guessed both mystery boxes. And then today, he guessed this one as well. So, I don't know where this kid gets his psychic ability.
See, I told you!
But he's 3 for 3. You're so smart.
I see something.
Uh-oh, what's in there?
Look, Dave! It has single characters!
Oh, it has all the characters. Yep, and look, there's yours right here.
Yeah, that's the witch!
Yep.
The witch.
Okay. All right, we're going to open the second one. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Who's in this one?
It's gonna be the princess.
The princess?
Yeah, I think it is.
Okay, well, we're going to find out. There ain't no way you're getting 4 in a row. I'm not convinced.
There we go. Another blind bag?
Another blind bag.
Yeah, that's right. It's gonna be witch.
I don't know. I don't see pink. Oh, here you go. What is it? It's not a princess.
Look at it.
Who is this guy? He's got a sombrero.
And his
And what's this thing? Oh, is he an ice cream guy? He's got ice cream, look. And a beard.
And yeah, a beard.
So, Colty, you're at 75%. You got 3 out of 4. Here's this guy. If you guys know what he is, just let us know.
It's an ice cream guy.
He's an ice cream guy?
Yeah.
I know he does have ice cream, huh?
Yeah, he has red, yellow, and pink.
Let's see. I'm going to try to find him. It says, it's right here. He's an ice cream
Guy.
van simulator.
We got tat him
So
too.
he's an ice cream guy.
We can hold him.
Oh, can you put ice cream in his hand?
Yeah.
So anyway, that's our little 2 Roblox Series 9 mystery boxes. Colty guessed one of them this time. He guessed 2 out of 2 last time, so he's doing very well.
Yeah.
And if you guys like videos like this, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. Right, Colty?
Yeah.
And until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.